Like, we don't need all that. All positive vibes, all positive vibes. Fuck all that extra. Fuck all that extra shit. Like, I ain't.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Sekaiya, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. First and foremost, we want to welcome all the new viewers to my page today. Hello, hello, and hello to you. We're so excited about you tapping in today. I hope that you guys learned something that you can walk away and take with you to add to your daily makeup routine. Secondly, guys, we don't want to forget, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this video so you can stay connected and know when we're dropping what look, when, where, and why. You know what I'm saying? No, but guys, here, guys, do not forget we drop videos here every Tuesday. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. We dropping videos every Tuesday, guys. So make sure that you are tapped in. Y'all don't want to miss out, because things gonna get crazy. And I like when they get crazy. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into this natural makeup look. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my face, because as you can see, this is not natural. So we're gonna go ahead and clean my face up, and then we're gonna come back and do this makeup. Alright guys, so when I start my makeup, I usually start with my brows first. So I'm going to take this basic brown liner pencil, and honestly I need to sharpen it. I usually use this EWC powder. EWC stands for European Wax Center. I don't know if you guys have ever been waxed before, but they have brow powder. I usually use a darker shade. It's out, so I need to get more. So that's why we're gonna go with our pencil today. But before I get started, let me sharpen this pencil, because what we're gonna do is nothing. So now I'm just gonna take my pencil and just kind of go in, follow my brow. I usually, well, ain't that about it? Let's try that again. So we're gonna go in. I usually kind of start at the top, but at the bottom, on the bottom, and I just kind of bring it all the way out. I'm just gonna shapen up my brow. And I'll do the same at the top as well. So right there, I kind of have like my shape that I want. And now at this point, I'll just fill it in and do the same on the other side. Okay, so we pretty much got it filled in the shape. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer Matte Finished, color Deep Cinnamon. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I just had a moment. Anyways, I'm gonna just take a little bit of that, dab it on my hand, and we're gonna take that. Y'all remember from the first video, that flat brush? We're gonna take that again. We're gonna dab a little bit on both sides, and then we're just gonna come under our brow. And we're gonna start cleaning it up. And I just kind of like pull the concealer all the way through. That way everything is even. And then once I get that line like that, I go back in and I go back on that line, and I just kind of pull down. Blend it out. I kind of go sideways sometimes. Just depends on what the concealer doing, because sometimes you guys, if it's wet, like, you don't want it to look wet. So we pull that down and blend it out as much as possible. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, followed up with our beauty blender, blending it on the eyelid. Alright guys, so then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that concealer, just a little bit, like very little bit, and I'm going to come like to the front of my brows and just kind of go like that, so I can have like a nice front fade, I guess you want to call it. But also, you guys we're gonna take our foundation color as well and do the top of our brow the same way. Just kind of blend it out. But while we're doing this, we just kind of bring it in a little bit, and then I kind of like to pull it back out so you can kind of blend. See how we blend it like that? So I do my fade. I know everybody has their own different ways. Then, like I said, we're going to just take our foundation color for the top of our brow and line it. Okay guys, now we're going to take this Orange Pro Concealer and we're going to go over some of the darker areas of our face. Use a beauty blender, beat it out, and then we're going to go on and put our foundation on. Alright, so guys, now we're going to take our L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte. I use shade 112. Y'all, I have been rocking with L'Oreal ever since I remember wearing makeup. I think I started wearing with like L'Oreal True Match, the blue label, and then like once matte came like a popular thing, I moved to the Pro Matte. So y'all, I stand by this stuff. I love it. And also the clients that I've used it on, they love the finish as well. So I definitely feel like it's good for all shades. Alright guys, so we have our liquid on. I always kind of like to follow up with my L'Oreal 24-hour fresh wear foundation powder. Y'all, she cracked. It ain't nothing worse than a sad cracked palette. But anyways, we're gonna use what's in here, and then I'm gonna get some more when I get some more. Yummy. Alright guys, now I'm gonna take my Pro Concealer by LA Girl, same as the orange corrector, the mahogany shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with a beauty blender, of course. Alright guys, now I'm going to take this Deep Chestnut by 16 Camo Concealer Matte Finish by e.l.f. and I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. Infused Blush. It's called Always Rosy, the color of it. And I'm going to put some blush on my cheeks and on my nose. And then I'm going to follow that up with my highlight. Alright, now we're going to take our highlighter palette. Don't know where I got this from. I think it like just a quick little store. And we're going to take that same brush we use our blush for. And we're going to put that highlight right. And guys, we're also going to take a little bit of highlight and also put a club of Cupid's bow and just a little bit on the bottom half of our face. Alright guys, so now y'all know how I feel about the makeup on my lips. So we're going to go ahead and get makeup wipe. Clean off our lips. Go ahead and outline our lips with the dark brown basic pencil. And we're going to follow that up with our Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. Clear, guys. Keep it nice, clear, natural. That's what we want. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess and I'm going to put some mascara on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. And here is our finished look. Very natural, very clean look. I didn't put lashes on, but you guys feel free to put your lashes on. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at the end of the video. Thanks guys. Bye.